overall situation is slightly more calm. At the same time, we have started the process of engaging and discussing with different stakeholders, including the Rangbashnongs and the religious leaders, senior citizens, organizations, and we have appealed for peace everywhere, and the response has been positive. So we are working more further to ensure that normalcy returns to Shillong city and to the state as a whole. At the same time, we have formed the Peace Committee, and that will be meeting tomorrow under the chairmanship of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. And at the same time, we are also had taken a decision in the morning. We had met with the Deputy CM and the Honorable Home Minister and myself, and Chief Secretary and myself, and we have decided that the curfew will be lifted tomorrow from 6 a.m. in the morning to 4 p.m. in the evening tomorrow in most of the parts of Shillong city. But we have left the detailed micro decision of locality-wise, if necessary, to the Deputy Commissioners. So the Deputy Commissioner will be coming out with a detailed timing of the relaxation of the curfew in Shillong city. But in all likelihood, it will be a general one from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. But as I said, more micro details will be available with the Deputy Commissioner. Also, the internet services will be activated, have been again, since the letter has gone. So for 24 hours, it was extended, which means from 6 p.m. to tomorrow 6 p.m. So the internet services will be reactivated in Shillong on the mobile services from 6 p.m. onwards from tomorrow evening.